Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to another Facebook Live brought to you by Robinson's Appliances. My name is Christian, and I will be your host for this afternoon. We are coming to you live from the City of Pines, Baguio City, and we are ready to bring you the latest and the most exciting washing machines brought to us by Whirlpool. Good cool afternoon, of course, from Baguio City with this type of weather that we have here in Baguio City. Kasamaan mo pa ng ulan, mahirap maglaba at magpatuyo ng damit, di ba? That's why we are giving you reliable washing machines, and dryers is a must, of course, for us with this type of weather. And with our rainy day promo, you won't be able to resist grabbing this amazing washing machines with their incredible discounts and exclusive freebies just for you. Dito lang yan sa Robinson's Appliances. At syempre, hindi naman po lang yan ang inyong dapat abangan dahil marami po tayong exciting games para sa inyo lamang na pwede po kayong manalo ng maraming prizes. Kaya tumutok na, and of course, do not forget to follow us on our socials. Unang-una po dyan, like and follow us on Facebook at Robinson's Appliances, and of course on our Instagram account at Rob Appliances, and you can also follow our TikTok account at Robinson's Appliances, and you can also visit our website at www.robinsonsappliance.com.ph. Don't forget to use the hashtags #Robinson's Appliances, #WhirlpoolPH, and of course, #EverydayCare. You can also find us on our Go-Kart app. It's available for download and Google Play Store and App Store on your iPhone. Siyempre, hindi naman po ako ang magsasalita lamang dito para sa inyo. And of course, without further much ado, ladies and gentlemen, palakpak mo natin my co-host for tonight, or this afternoon, should I say, from Whirlpool, Philippines. Palakpak mo natin si Ma'am Gia Fernandez.
Hi! Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Gia from Whirlpool, Philippines, and I'm thrilled to be here to introduce the must-have washing machines from Whirlpool. Before we begin, I'd like to invite everyone to visit our social media platforms. Please like and follow us on Facebook at Whirlpool Philippines, follow us on Instagram at Whirlpool Philippines, and visit our website at www.whirlpool.com.ph.
Naku, Ma'am Zia, thank you very much for being with us. Excited na ako para to know about more our washing machines brought to us by Whirlpool Philippines. And you know what's more exciting, mga kapamilya? Meron din tayong rainy day promos and discounts as a part of Robinson's Appliances Rainy Day promo. You definitely don't want to miss out on this amazing opportunity and deals brought to us by Robinson's Appliances. Kaya naman, don't forget to hit that like button and of course, share this live event to qualify and spread the good news sa ating mga kabarkada. Make sure to use our hashtag so you can join and make a chance to be included in our exciting games later on. So tutok lamang, get ready to bring home some of our amazing prizes. So without further much ado, Ma'am Gia, let's go on with our first item. Ano ba yung first item natin?
Yes, Christian. Our first item here is the Whirlpool WWEB 8503BW Inverter Front Load Washer Dryer Combo. So let's talk about its 10 wash cycles. This feature, you have a wide range of programs for different types of loads and laundry situations. Meron itong normal or cotton gentle, heavy duty, quick wash, bulky items like comforters, whites, colors, hand wash, or wool, rinse and spin, and allergen cycles. So when it comes to allergen cycle, it is specifically designed to remove allergens such as pet dander and dust mites. So if you have pets at home, this washing machine is perfect for you.
Wow, Miss Gia, napakadami naman pala ng washing machine programs ng iyong to choose from, no? Pwede nating pagpilian. Nako, big help yung 10 washes pa lamang and cycles ng ating washing machines. First featured, Whirlpool washing machine appliance. Kasi you can select proper cycles for the fabric na lalabahan mo without any risk of damage. And for those who have pets, it's common, no, to have or find their fur sticking in our clothes, lalo na kapag ginayakap natin sila,
Yes,
especially na they are our cuddle buddies. And of course, this washing machine, itong unang product natin, can effectively eliminate pet dander and dust mites, keeping our clothes clean and free of allergens.
Exactly. Aside from that, this Whirlpool washing machine also has unique sixth sense technology. This innovative feature optimizes and automates the washing process by sensing and adapting to the specific loads and conditions. Meron itong load sensing, which allows it to detect the size and weight of the laundry load. Moreover, the water level automatically adjusts according to the load, allowing you to save water while still achieving the excellent cleaning results. Meron rin itong automatic detergent dosing, which dispenses the proper amount of detergent required for a specific load. So, here it is. Ayan siya.
Oh, napaganda naman pala ng ating product with its intelligent features, mga kapamilya, and advanced technologies. It's like having laundry expert right at your disposal. Tama ba, Ma'am Gia?
Yes, correct, Christian. At Whirlpool, we want every homemaker to save on energy and time, allowing them to dedicate more time to more important things. We achieve this by providing effective cleaning of clothes while minimizing energy waste and optimizing time, ensuring efficient cleaning at the shortest possible duration.
That's great, and it's all about simplifying the laundry process, delivering efficient cleaning performance, and of course, saving valuable resource like water, soap, and energy. Talaga namang makakatipid tayo when we have this washing machine at home.
Kaya naman, confident ako na magugustuhan talaga ito ng ating mga viewers. Bukod dito, meron din itong digital control panel that provides a user-friendly interface like here. This digital control panel also features a child lock. Kaya hindi siya basta-basta mababago ang settings even if our kids accidentally touch it.
Nako, I like it. Very child-friendly ang ating washing machine. Talaga namang worry-free when you use this washing machine, especially sa mga busy moms or dads natin dyan na malilikot ang anak.
Absolutely right. I also wanted to add that this Whirlpool washing machine has a sanitized wash cycle, which can effectively remove stains and enhance sanitation. This special cycle is designed to eliminate 99.9% of bacteria, germs, and allergens on your laundry. It uses higher temperatures and extended wash times to ensure thorough cleaning and disinfection.
That's amazing, and that we will be able, especially this is helpful for our family members whose various activities or work-related where stains on their clothes are unavoidable. Lalo na yung mga nagtatrabaho siguro sa mga karinderya, like chefs, mechanics, and etc. Very beneficial rin ito when you have work at home, and especially we want extra disinfection, no? Lalo na sa mga meticulosong nanay dyan to make sure that everything is clean, especially when our babies are using them. And it's perfect for those who are working in the healthcare industry as well. Super nice feature ito, Ma'am Gia, no?
Yes, totoo yan. At syempre, meron rin itong spin speed selection. With this feature, it is designed to remove excess water from the laundry. It avoids the possibility na madamage yung fabric or clothes na isasalang natin sa washing machine. You can choose the spin depende sa fabric na lalaban mo. So kung sensitive or soft fabric, syempre, low spin lang. Andito siya. Yan. Tapos, the most standard spin is yung medium spin. It provides a balance between effective water extraction and fabric care. So, syempre meron din tayong high spin kung makakapal naman or heavy fabrics naman yung lalabahan mo like beddings.
This is great, Gia. Laundry with care means you have control in ensuring with your precious clothes and laundry items are protected and from wear and tear, of course.
Yes, and it also has a hot air refresh cycle. With this feature, it is designed to quickly remove unwanted odors and germs on your delicate clothes. So, for example, wool clothes, yung mga medyo makakapal nating...
no?
Yes, especially dito sa Baguio, mga sweaters like that.
Mga
So, as
inahamon.
well as non-apparel items using hot air without having to run a wash cycle.
Naku, okay na okay pala ito. Lalo na dito sa Baguio, medyo makulimlim or usually maulan dito, Ma'am Gia So, most often than not, minsan inaamag, lalo na pag hindi natuyo ang damit. So, perfect po ito sa mga pillowcases, stuffed toys, or yung mga delicate clothes mo ay lightly soiled lang.
Not only that, makakapaglaba at patuyo ka ng damit with this product in just 1 hour. Yes, in just 1 hour. This is thanks to the Wash and Dry 60 program.
Naku, napaka-convenient pala nito, ma'am. With efficiency, with just 1 hour, imagine manonood ka lang ng isang episode ng favorite show mo or K-drama.
K-drama.
Pwede na at tapos ka nang maglaba.
Correct. Tama ka dyan. And lastly, it has an antibacterial drawer and bellow. This helps maintain the cleanliness and prevents the growth of bacteria. By the way, ito siya. Yan. So, meron siya dyan.
Pwede pala ito, no, ma'am?
Yes.
Simultaneous na siya.
Yes, that's correct.
Yeah.
So, by the way, this washer-dryer combo has a capacity of 8.5 kilograms for its washer and 5 kilograms for its dryer.
Kaya naman guys, don't miss out on this Whirlpool WWEB8503BW inverter front load washer-dryer combo with its jam-packed features for only
Yes.
48,998
Diba?
pesos lamang. But because we're having our rainy day promo, sabi ko nga kanina, take this home for only just 42,000 pesos with a total savings of 6,998 pesos. And meron ka pang freebie, Ma'am Gia. Hindi pa doon natatapos ang ating pasabog sa ating rainy day promo. Meron ka ring freebie na Beko Garment Steamer once you purchase this. Grabe, nako. Promo runs only until, makinig kayo, only from July 28 until August 4, 2023. Terms and conditions apply, of course.
Yes, but wait, there's more. It will also be free delivery for NCR and Rizal customers if you order online at www.robinsonsappliances.com.ph.
Nako, that's an awesome deal. First product pa lang this afternoon, mga kaibigan, ay mapapawaw ka na talaga. Kaya naman, let's move on. Ma'am Gia, shall we move on to the next product?
Yes, please.
Okay.
So, Christian, up next, we have this Whirlpool F-Web 1053BS inverter front load washing machine. So, like our first product kanina, this one also has a 10 wash cycles. Kaya naman paniguradong malinis at well taken care of ang ating mga clothes na lalabhan mo dito. So with this feature, you can select different programs to accommodate different types of laundry needs. There.
Yan, maganda na siya, no? That's nice, Ma'am Gia. With Whirlpool talaga namang it carries the American pride of providing great product perfect for homemakers.
Yes, that's correct. And one of these features of this Whirlpool washer is its 6 Sense technology. This feature automatically detects the load and intelligently select the appropriate program with the shortest amount of time. So, might as well, kumuha ka na rin, sir. Meron ka na ba sa inyo?
Nako, titingnan natin yan. Talk about efficiency, right? No, mga kaibigan, this Whirlpool FWEB 503BS front-load washing machine is indeed perfect companion for your laundry needs, giving us efficiency or energy efficiency, water efficiency, and most importantly is time-saving solutions while delivering effective and gentle cleaning for your household needs.
Nako, hindi lang yan. This washing machine also has a inverter technology. So mostly talaga ngayon, mga customers natin naghahanap na ng mga inverter to
Tama,
save
ma'am. Energy.
energy and syempre to save budget natin sa electricity. So, which we all know na magandang feature talaga when it comes to any appliance. So, not only will this save us up to 60% in energy consumption, this will also result in lower carbon emission and a reduced environmental impact.
Naku, napakaganda naman pala nito, ma'am. Very eco-friendly by having Whirlpool appliances at your home. Meron ka ng good quality appliances like this washing machines. And of course, you can also save our environment with having the inverter technology and a lot more.
Yes, that's correct,
Tama.
Christian. I'd also like to add that this Whirlpool washing machine has a digital control panel. Ayan,
Yun rin
ganyan
siya,
din
no?
siya.
Pareho
Same
silang
as
isa.
the other one. And para mas madali lang yung pag-select ng program natin sa other settings.
It will be less hassle sa mga gagamit, and of course, seeing how beautifully designed this is, very well thought. Of course, ang ating washing machine, it really gives off that contemporary and sophisticated appearance. Tama ba, Ma'am Gia?
Exactly. At syempre, meron din itong spin speed selection. Meron din siya dyan.
Dito.
So, you can tailor fit the appropriate spin sa garment or clothes na lalabhan mo.
Right. It's important to take note not all fabrics are, and of course, can withstand high spin. Kaya baka minsan meron magkakahimulmul dyan.
mga
And
delicate
of course, it's always right for us to check the labels of our garments para maiwasan rin po yun.
Yes, that's actually a great tip, ha? Another tip from our viewers is that this Whirlpool washing machine also has a spin, speed, or stain wash cycle or removal cycle. This helps remove tough stains from clothes. So, kusot moments, no more.
Nako, I'm sure maraming may kailangan ng ganyang feature just like me. You can really see that all amazing features of our Whirlpool washing machines are really well thought of, and of course, pro consumers like you.
Nice, indeed. Katulad din to ng sanitized wash cycle, which is beneficial especially sa mga tao na may allergies. So, meron ka ba, sir? Like me,
Wala
meron.
naman. Pero I know meron tayong mga viewers dyan na
Yes.
meron talagang hindi may iwasan na mga allergies.
Skin allergies like that, no? It effectively kills dust mites, pet hair, pollen, and other allergens that may be present on your clothes or linens.
And of course, this proves that the Whirlpool FWEB 1053BS front-load washing machine does not only take care of our clothes, but also take care of our health.
Exactly. And lastly, its drawer and bellow is injected with an antibacterial agent to prevent the growth of molds and microbes even with long-term usage. So, just like the other one, meron din siya dito. Ayan.
Maganda siya, no? Talaga
Yes.
namang perfect yan dito, mga kailian, sa Baguio City. Kaya naman, kung kumbinsido ka na, ay now is the perfect time, mga kapamilya. Get this Whirlpool FEWB 1053BS front-load washing machine for only 43,998 pesos. And since, as I've said earlier, kanina meron tayong promo dito, we also have our rainy day promo discount on this one. You can take this home, mga kapamilya, for only just 37,678 pesos. Plus, you can have the chance to win, of course, 1,000 pesos e-voucher when you purchase this in-store only. Terms and conditions apply, of course, and promo runs from July 28 until August 4 of this year. Ngayon naman, alam ko ng maraming nakakaabang, Ma'am Gia, no? Dalawang products na yung na ating na present sa kanila, and we're going to play, mga kaibigan, Laundry Day games. For our first round, we will be flashing a set of letters which you have to rearrange and, of course, complete the phrase we have for only 20 seconds. So comment down your answers, of course. Don't forget to include the hashtags in your comments. Hashtag Robinson's Appliances, hashtag Whirlpool PH, and hashtag Everyday Care. And of course, you should have a sharer badge to qualify. The winner will be chosen randomly for this round. We are giving away laundry loot bag brought to us by Whirlpool Philippines, ma'am. And of course, the lucky winner will be notified via Facebook Messenger. So dapat you are using real Facebook account and the real name, of course, so we can confirm your identity and of course, we can send you our prize. So without further much ado, Ma'am Gia, let's start. Of course, for our first puzzle, we are looking for the word that will be complete this phrase. Sixth blank technology.
10,
9,
8,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Time's up,
Of course, ano
everyone.
kaya yung word natin?
So the correct answer is
Sixth Sense Technology. Of course, yan. Congratulations to our winner of the laundry loot bag. Palakpan po natin. Hintayin lamang po ninyo ang aming message coming from our team on how to claim your prize. Okay, Gia. With that, our breather is already through. Of course, let's proceed
Yes.
to our
Let's continue
third
to our
product.
next one.
Yeah.
So, with pleasure, last and definitely not the least is the Whirlpool AWD ATA dryer. So, from kanina meron tayong washer, ngayon naman meron tayong dryer.
Yeah.
So, this powerful dryer has 13. Take note, guys, 13 dry cycles that provides a wide range of options to meet different drying needs and fabric types. So, from regular dry to rock dry siya. So, you name it, meron siya dito. And it's important, and syempre important yan dito sa Baguio City. Di ba? Mahirap magpatuyo talaga ng damit.
Naku, tama ka dyan, Ma'am Gia. No, that means more flexibility for me and dry different kinds of fabrics plus worry-free kasi nga yung drying options and of course, depending on your load.
Totoo yan. At syempre, hindi rin ito magpapahuli dahil meron din siyang antibacteria cycle to ensure that your laundry is not only 100% dry but also clean and fresh. So, paano? Of course, by removing moisture and preventing the growth of bacteria and viruses sa ating mga pinapatuyong damit.
Naku, Ma'am G, I love the fact na itong dryer na ito talagang ira-rock dry niya yung damit natin. Naiiwasan yung molds, growth ng molds, and especially here in Baguio. No, because we have experienced during the pandemic, and aside from that, nakakaranas rin tayo ng mga seasons of illness like cough and colds. With this feature ay malilesen ang chance na makakuha tayo ng ganong mga kasakit sa mga suot natin.
Yes, tama ka dyan, Christian. For easy operation naman ito. So, this Whirlpool dryer also has a digital control panel. Ayan, meron din siya dyan. And para mas madali lang yung access ng programs and settings ng model na ito.
Naku, napaka-convenient pala nito. Meron pa siyang analog na na orasan, no?
Yes.
Napaka-convenient gamitin. And of course, dryer natin na Whirlpool ay talagang quality.
Yes, syempre naman. And one more thing I love about this product is that this dryer has also its quick dry function. So, this is perfect talaga for this situation na you need to dry a few items in a short amount of time.
Naku, Ma'am Gia, perfect yan sa ating mga daily wears, lalo sa mga nagtatrabaho dyan. Like mga uniform or whether school uniform yan or for work.
Exactly, because this dryer even has a half load function which allows you to dry a smaller load of laundry more efficiently.
Naku, mas tipid pala ito and nag-a-apply sa mga different people or mga sa work nila, no? Wow naman, this dryer talaga is perfect for many households.
So, para naman sa mga busy individuals like maybe us,
Oh, yeah.
it also has a delay function or delay start function that allows you to set a specific time in the future for the drying cycle to begin.
Nako, kasi nga, di ba, when you are drying delicate or sensitive items, it is a must to consider the length of the time or the length of the time that you will be drying para ma-ensure na hindi prolonged yung exposure to heat and humidity and that your clothes will not be damaged.
Yes, agree ako talaga dyan. And for the last feature, meron itong child lock. So, safety feature design to prevent from accidentally operating the dryer or accessing its contents.
Kapareho siya ng item natin.
Yes,
no?
may
Talaga
child lock.
namang must have itong dryer na ito mga kaibigan kasi it does not only ensure the safety of your children by restricting their ability to interact with the dryers, controls to open the door while the cycle is in progress. I did not mention na itong dryer na ito, ma'am, ay pwedeng i-stack dito sa ating washer, no?
Yes.
This is not only stackable, but it is also jam-packed with features like space saving too. So please, no? Parang ito, mai-imagine mo na pagpatong natin tong dryer and washer together, no?
So, ayun nga. So, etong washer natin, bali, dryer muna sa taas and then washer sa baba. So, meron na din siyang free stocking kit. So, para saan ba yung stocking kit? So, para ma-less din yung damage dito sa ating top part ng ating washer, sorry.
Para ma-maintain rin yung quality niya, no, ma'am?
Yes,
And
and-
of course, yung aesthetic niya.
Yes, ang ganda kasi niya, no?
Oh, tama nga. And of course, with all this advanced features, what are you waiting for, mga kaibigan? Purchase our new Whirlpool AWD-80 dryer for only 29,998 pesos because we are also on rainy day promo. Huwag niyong kakalimutan. This dryer is up for grabs for only 25,000
Wow.
pesos. And syempre, you can get 500 pesos worth of e-voucher when you purchase this in-store only. Super affordable na ito, guys. This is for a limited time only. Promo runs from July 28, 2023 to August 4, 2023. Terms and conditions apply, of course.
So, this Whirlpool dryer and other Whirlpool appliances is also available at www.robinsonsappliances.com.ph. So, do check it out.
Now, let's continue giving away our laundry loot bag brought to you by Whirlpool. And we are now ready to start with the second part of our laundry day games. Once again, this time we want to rearrange the shirts to form a phrase. Diyan, no? This phrase ay isang product feature ng ating Whirlpool. So, kung nakikinig kayong maigi kanina, dapat alam na alam nyo ang sagot na to. So, comment down below now for the correct arrangement of the phrase. And don't forget to use the hashtag
Hashtag Robinsons Appliances.
hashtag Whirlpool Philippines.
And hashtag Everyday Care.
And of course, you should have a sharer badge to qualify to win. And of course, the winner will be notified via Facebook Messenger. Again, you should be using your real name when you comment for easier verification if you are the lucky winner. Without further much ado, let's now flash the puzzle now. Yan.
So, ayan siya.
15,
15,
14,
13, 12,
11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
And time's up,
Ano
everyone.
kaya yung words na yan?
So, the correct answer is tananan,
Tadadadan.
digital control
Panel,
panel. So,
yun,
kung panalo ka dyan, kung ikaw yung nakaunang nakasagot ng ating pag-games for today.
Yan. Congratulations to our winner of the laundry loop bag. Hintayin nyo lamang po ang message coming from our team on how to claim your prize. And alright, Ma'am Gia,
Yes.
let's go on to our final product this afternoon. We have here the Whirlpool WVII D1158 BKG 11.5 kilogram inverter plus heater top load washer. Ma'am Gia, should we go
Sure, here.
to our product? Yeah.
Ayan siya, di ba? Ang ganda niya. Napaka-aesthetic din as well. So, this is for the first feature. It also has a 8 wash cycles. So, maraming options pa din to choose from. It offers a range or a wide range of wash cycles to accommodate different types of laundry and specific cleaning needs.
Napakaganda pala nito. This is important for us to determine which of the washing cycles ang compatible sa lalaban natin to avoid damaging our fabric.
I agree to that. And meron din itong soft touch panel. Ito siya.
Ito.
So, may pa-touchscreen tayo dyan. So,
Digital.
this soft touch control panel that makes even feather light touches enough to operate the washer. So, helping you create the best wash performance for your clothes.
Sobrang efficient talaga ng ating mga dryers and washing machines coming from Whirlpool. Talaga namang homemaker approved.
And yes, just to add, meron din itong direct drive inverter motor. So, with the motor directly connected to the drum, it operates efficiently and quietly. So, mas tahimik na siya. So, consuming less energy and requiring minimal maintenance due to its simplified design compared to traditional belt drive motors.
Nako, with that feature, no, Ma'am Gia, you can assure that it is not only energy efficient but also enhances durability.
Yes,
Perfect for
correct.
investments in your family. Kasi nga, di ba, when you buy appliances, especially washing machines, we want the product to be of long-term use. Ito ay investments kasi, Ma'am Gia, no? So
Yes.
this is investment worthy. And of course, this Whirlpool WVII D1158 BKG 11.5 kilogram inverter plus heater, top load washing machine or washer can provide you that specific feature.
Yes, right, Christian. This washing machine also has a hot wash feature and hot spring rinse. So, the hot wash cycle heats water up to 60% or 60 degrees Celsius, providing total protection against bacteria and viruses. Additionally, this feature dissolves laundry detergent more effectively. So, it removes tough stains and provide better sanitation by killing certain types of bacteria and allergens. Tapos yung hot spring rinse naman is designed to provide additional cleaning and removal of detergent residue.
Nako, wow naman! This can result in a cleaner and fresher laundry. Mas mabangong amuyin ang iyong damit, Ma'am Gia.
Yes. Meron din itong start delay function. So, it offers convenience naman para sa atin. So, it allows you to start the wash cycle at your preferred time.
Nako, really? Talaga namang you can do other tasks or different work doing your laundry with the help of the start delay function equipped with this Whirlpool washing machine.
And yes, worry no more, especially to our mommies out there. Because this washing machine also has its child lock feature, which disables the buttons and touch-sensitive controls on the panel.
Nako, very nice naman pala, Ma'am Gia. Tuloy-tuloy ang ating laundry time.
Yes, and also this washing machine has a drum clean and drum sterilization feature. So, dito siya sa loob. Ayan, yung drum
sa loob.
natin dyan. Yan. So, it helps clean the drum and ensure it is free from bacteria, odors, and other residue buildup.
Nako, Ma'am Gia, amazing talaga. I love how these features provide cleaner and hygienic laundry purposes.
And also, for our last feature, it's the antibacterial stainless steel drum. So this feature ensures that bacteria and viruses do not cling on the drum for clean, safe, and fresh clothes every time.
Nako, hindi na nga lang ito malaki, Ma'am Gia. Wow naman! The stainless steel finish is indeed sturdy enough to handle even the heaviest loads, mga kaibigan. This also provides an effective yet gentle deep clean washing performance. So guys, ano pang inaantay nyo? Grab this Whirlpool WVII 1158 BKG 11 kilogram, 11.5 kilogram inverter plus heater top load washer for only 36,998,000 pesos. But of course, as I've said, same with all the products that we featured earlier, we are on rainy day promo. You can have this Whirlpool inverter plus heater top load washer for only 31,388 pesos. Syempre, hindi lamang yan, ay meron po tayong free Beko garment steamer. Super nice na ng ating mga features. And of course, high quality selections of washing machines. Kaya naman, go to any Robinsons Appliances near you. Promo from July 28 and ends on August 4, 2023. Terms and conditions apply.
So what are you waiting for, guys? Grab these deals na. All these Whirlpool washing machines and dryers are available at www.robinsonsappliances.com.ph.
And of course, Ma'am Gia, tapos na ang ating lahat ng featured products from Whirlpool Philippines. And of course, we are now down to the last game for today. We are still playing the Laundry Day games. For this round, we need to complete naman po an image. Choose between A or B para mabuo ang ating puzzle. Comment down your answer and don't forget to use our hashtags.
Hashtag Robinsons Appliances.
Hashtag Whirlpool Philippines.
And hashtag Everyday Care.
And of course, you should have a sharer badge to qualify. And of course, the winner will be chosen randomly for this round. We are giving away the laundry loot bag plus Whirlpool microwave oven.
Wow!
Microwave oven.
Grabe.
Grabe naman. Diyos ko, our lucky winner will be notified via Facebook Messenger. Without further much ado, Ma'am Gia.
Okay.
Should we go with the puzzle now?
Let's do it.
Ako, ano kaya yan? Ito, parang may
18,
ano kaya yan?
17,
Ano kaya product yan?
16, 15, 14, 13,
13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Time's up, everybody.
Time's up. Ano kaya yung picture na yan?
So, the
Ako, may
correct
nakahula
answer
kaya.
is letter A.
Letter A, and of
Nice.
course, ayan, thank you, Ma'am Gia,
Thank
and of
you.
course, Whirlpool Philippines, and of course, without further much ado, may we now introduce the store manager here in Baguio Center Mall, Robinsons Appliances branch. Of course, palakpan natin, without further much ado, Miss Janet Bingo for a few words.
And thank you, Christian and Gia. Okay, if you're looking for the best appliances with amazing deals, please visit Robinsons Appliances here in Baguio City. We are located at Baguio Center Mall and Center Point Plaza.
And of course, for more information about the exciting event and promotions of Robinsons Appliances, don't forget to follow us on Facebook at Robinsons Appliances and on our Instagram account at Rob Appliances, and of course on our TikTok account hashtag or at Robinsons Appliances. Visit our branches nationwide or visit our website at www.robinsonsappliances.com.ph. And of course, thank you very much for joining us. Thank you once again. Of course, thank you very much, ma'am, and thank you very much, ma'am. My name is Christian, and thank you for joining us. Stay safe.